everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets Delta Airlines A330-900Neo. This was one of the August 2023 releases, so a pretty new release. This came alongside the Delta 764 in the Vince Dooley livery. Didn't pick that one up, but I was excited to have a plain livery or regular livery Delta A330-900, as I do have the GeminiJets version in the GeminiJets A330-900Neo in the Team USA livery. So it's nice to see a normal livery coming out here as well. So yeah, let's get right on into it, and let's take a look at what this mall is about. So here we go. Standard GeminiJets box. There's the model, and here's the information and whatever. This is November 407 Delta X-ray. Delta has 23 of these right now, and plenty. Let's see, they have 23 and 16 on order, so plenty of these to come. And they have started operating in and out of LA, over to Haneda, Paris. I think they're doing is it London? I can't remember. I think there's one other route that they're going to be using it on as well. But there it is right out the box. Looks all good. I'll check it over here better in a second. A little bit of, oh yeah, there's a little tear in the box there. That's fine, no problem though. Overall, looks good. Yeah, cool. Alrighty, guys. So we just adjust the camera here, and we'll be all good to go. Not sure why it is blurry, but there we go. There we go. So here we have it, guys. The GeminiJets Delta A330-900. Very nice looking aircraft. This mold, it's not bad. I think my biggest gripe about it, and I think I mentioned it in the Team USA video, or Team USA one in that video, is the winglets. The winglets just kind of look, I don't know what it is about them, but they look off a little bit. And I will be curious to see, because I don't have any other, malls like this. Phoenix did release a Delta A330neo as well. I didn't go for that. Again, when this video comes out, I'm not exactly sure where we'll kind of be at with the models and the molds and whatnot, but at the time of recording, NG Models is going to be making the A330-900Neo and the A330-800Neo. They've got the mold. They've just kind of released the samples of both of those, and I'm excited to see where that's going to go. Aviation 400 also has the A330-900 mold as well. They haven't made any Delta aircraft yet. They've been doing. They made another Delta A350, but it'll be interesting to see. Just given the way things go, we're probably going to see a few more Delta A330s, A330-900 should I say. Probably one or two from NG, and one from Aviation 400. So, because since Phoenix has made one, and now this is the second one by GeminiJets, so it'll be interesting to see how things go. And I probably will pick up one more, whether it's going to be the NG or Aviation 400 one, I'm not sure, but just to kind of have and just to kind of compare. Given that it's going to be NG, I'm curious to see how their mold is compared to this. But here we have it, guys. So as I say, the one thing that we'll get to it, is the winglets. But anyway, let's take a look at what we got going on here. So here's the cockpit windows with that sort of raccoon, sort of black tint around it. Looks really, really nice. Got the SkyTeam logo right up there next to L1 door, and some more great decals around there. Great detail, and the landing gear looks pretty good. Got the Delta titles, and you got the antenna up top there. Looking very, very nice. Moving along, you got the L2 door. Got the engines here, very, very nice. These are... It is hollow, and I think they spin, but I'm not gonna go try and dig in there to get them to spin. But they look pretty good though. And then you have the wings of the wing tips. So when you look at it from this side, it kind of looks a little off. It looks a little weird. But when you look at it kind of like this, it doesn't really look that bad. So I'm not really sure. I'm not too sure. It also looks like, ooh. This one is, they're not equal. No, they're not. So if you look at this side, you can see that this like blue strip right here is a lot more than it is on this side. Okay, so GeminiJets screwed up on that. I want to say that yeah, it looks, it's off by a little bit. It looks like this winglet is actually, it looks like this winglet's actually sort of, this one's sort of shaped a little bit different than this one. I'm not sure what's up with that. Classic GeminiJets with their terrible quality control. Anyway, though there's good, right? There's good details on the wings and whatnot. It doesn't look too bad actually. Looks pretty good from what I can tell. Yeah, but just weird with those winglets or wingtips. That's interesting. Anyway, you got the Wi-Fi dome right there and the other antennas. Registration and American flag. So as I say, it was 407 Delta X-ray right there. Got the emergency exit right there. There's one over the wing as well. I guess this would kind of be the L3, and this is the L4 door right here. Got the Delta tail. And it looks like the fleet number, the tail number is 3407. Yeah, we'll spin it around. I'll just take a look at that. Looks pretty good. It's pretty good. Take a look at it from behind. Horizontal stabilizers and everything look pretty good right there. And then on this side, it is the cargo doors. So you got the bulk bin right there, and then the main cargo door right there. And then you have the forward cargo door right there as well. So we'll take a look at the top and the bottom, and we'll take a look at the head on there. So it doesn't look too bad. There's the top down, nothing crazy, and then obviously the Delta belly, if it'll focus. Hello. There we go. No. There we go. Delta belly, and there's some good details underneath as well. No antennas on the bottom though, but the Delta belly does look pretty good. So overall, not a bad model. I do like, you know, I do say I'm happy. I am happy to have it, and I do say, you know, if you can get this, get it. It's not bad. I'm just curious to see what the NG version will be like, as well as the Aviation 400 in the future if they do release it. But yeah, other than that, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. So if you did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.